Hi you guys, today I'm going to show you how I arch my eyebrows. Something that you can do yourself at home. You do not have to pay to get your eyebrows done. All you need is Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and if you're not too scared, you can use a razor or the regular 99-cent razors that they sell at the beauty supply store. First thing I do, I take the Vaseline and I apply it to my eyebrows. Make sure that you coat it really well, because if not, the razor is not going to glide like how you need it to, and you nick yourself and cut yourself. And with a regular razor like what I use, you can cut yourself bad. You gotta make sure you have sturdy hands. Secondly, make sure you have your towel, a wet towel, or washcloth. I got a little hand towel, nothing major. I'm gonna turn this camera so I can look in the mirror as well, and so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. So the first thing I do, I always start at the top. That way I know where my arches are. I like to start at the top. So I just take my time and glide down. Hold on. It's a little too dark right here, you guys. Maybe I'll turn it back. Okay. So you just glide down. Try to get it as even as possible. Now, I don't even mess with the back end of that yet, because I want to try to make sure this side is even with this side. So, I'm going to glide down. Just like how I did with the other side. Now, with my eyebrows, because I always raise this eyebrow, it's a little more rounder than this side. But I'm going to try to get them to be like bam, bam, together. So, and it's easier when you don't have any nails on, by the way. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the other side and hit this back end. Yeah, just do it around like the other side. And try to go a little past my eyebrow to make sure I got everything. And always remember to wipe your blade off, because you don't want to have grease on your fingers and on this blade at the same time. And you try to go to push that blade down, and it's not a pretty sight. Just know that. Now this eyebrow has always been thicker than my other eyebrow. Wipe that off. Now I'm going to start on the bottom. I like to try to start right in this area, because I want to try to get it as flat and straight as possible, but my eyebrows grow so wild, so it's hard. So let me wipe this part off up here so I'll be able to grip my skin. Okay. And like I said, you're gonna take that blade and you're gonna go straight down. Because when you're going straight down, you can get all the hair that's going sideways. And I try to take a little at a time because sometimes I go up too high, and I think you can kind of see where my eyebrow arch kind of stay. So now what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna go to the side and just take the little edge and take my time. And you got to have a steady hand, and you got to be very, very gentle. Wipe your blade. Now I like to go back down to make sure I catch all the hairs that I might have missed when I was going sideways. I'm gonna just check in the mirror real quick, make sure I got everything, because it's terrible with this camera. Now, to the other side. See, this is my rock eyebrow. I can't stand it. Because when I'm not trying to do it, I do it. It is kind of complicated. So, back. Oh, let me wipe this top part off. It's still a little greasy. Alright. So, back to this side. Now, we're going to go down on this side in front. And I gotta try to get it even with this side. And this eyebrow grows so funny. Right? See, this is what I'm talking about. This eyebrow is just so wicked. Let's see. Now the eyebrows arch. Let me check in the big mirror. Wipe the extra Vaseline off. Let's see, I got a good little arch here. This eyebrow has always been thicker than this one. I don't know why. Maybe I need to thin this out a little bit on the end. Just a little bit to make it match the other one. There we go. Look a little bit better. My eyebrows. My eyebrows. Where's my alcohol now? My eyebrows. I'll be right back. And let me go get my alcohol. My eyebrows. Instead, I found a witch hazel. Witch hazel. For my eyebrows. For my eyebrows. I like to make up sounds. And you just put that right up on there. Cause you don't want to get no infections. You don't want to get it in your eye neither. That's what I understand. Wish I try to take me out the game. How dare you? That's how you got your name. We'll see. I nicked myself a little bit because it's burning. Which is not supposed to burn. It has alcohol in it, but it's not supposed to burn. And since I already washed my face and did my face, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my face as well. You can use it as a natural toner. You don't have to go buy toner. Use it as a natural toner. Okay, YouTube. That concludes my video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hit the notification button. I can't talk today. Hit the notifications button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.